Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Select and Speak with a Google form that is linked into Schoology. So I come and I select my link, and here it is. Here's the form. So I select what I want to listen to, and I select the Select and Speak icon up in my extensions area.
Skip to content. Home. Courses.
You notice that it's not reading what I had highlighted. That is why we need to pop it out into a new tab, which is this icon right here. You'll be able to listen to it with Select and Speak.
Online STEM, coding and critical thinking activities for Preg 12.
And you can see how that works. You just select it and select the icon.
We are collecting STEM, coding and critical thinking.
And you can pause it anytime you need to. And that's how you use Select and Speak on a Google form that was embedded into Schoology.